Hi Taurus, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for April 2013. Taurians, we begin this month with three planets, that is Mars, Sun, and Venus, which are lighting a part of your chart that has to do with introspection. It has to do with going behind the scenes. It has to do with secrets. It has to do with compulsions. It also has to do with spirituality. So this month and this trend starts for you from about 20th of March and it carries on till 20th of April, and post that the planets again move on to your 11th house. Now till about 20th of April, it's a good time to give, it's a good time to serve. It's a time when the planets activate this part of your chart. It's about serving. It's not really a time to be sitting and thinking or expecting that I should be given or I should be or expecting. This is a time where you're expected to go out and help others, whether it is charity, whether it is with friends, whether it is serving yourself, volunteering for a good cause. It is also a good time if you have been intending again to be, whether be associated with a charity or again uh, give your services for something in which you're not really expecting anything back. What happens is that at times when planets, and especially three planets, are activating this part of your chart, that if you do not do things voluntarily, if you do not are proactive about it, they are out of force taken from you. So you may find yourself, if you're really sitting and minging money and you're saying that, oh, I think I have enough of my own troubles, I don't think so I should be going out and sharing anything. This could be a time where either you incur a lot of expenses or wasteful expenses, really. So it's always a great time to go out and give on your own, and of course the benefits are there in multitude. Mars and Mars and Sun being in this part of it, and they're both masculine planets, are going to be aggravating this part of your chart quite a. This is not a good time to be taking action, Taurans. It's a good time to be sitting back and somebody else take decisions. And like again I said, this aspect is still about 20th of April, so it's not a great time to be on the driver's seat. Let somebody steer it for you. Let somebody call the shots for a while. It's a good time to be connecting with your higher self. It's a good time to be introspecting, as to what is it that you want out of life, where is it that you're going, how it is that you see yourself. This part of the chart is also associated with hospitals, prison cells, long-term confinement. So you could be visiting hospital, maybe you know somebody in the family has had a long-term illness, and there could be couple of rounds of hospitals over there. It also has to do, like I said, with secrets. It's not really a house of action, it's really behind the scenes, so you won't really be wanting to socialize or really get out there and party. But like I said, it's a temporary aspect. It's just there for about 20 days, so that's all right. We also have post the 14th, we have Mercury that is going to be moving into your chart as well, and Mercury is going to be making you quite articulate, and Mercury is going to help you communicate as to what it is that you really want. Mercury also governs travel, so there could be some amount of a short distance travel you could be taking. It could also be that for information you are undertaking this travel on a daily basis, and it couldn't really be a something which is right next to your house. So with Mercury, it's all about travel and communication, and you could be adding more skills to yourself. Now, Venus being there, Venus is going to help you manifest things more faster. Venus is going to also help the money flow in. Besides being the planet of love, beauty, and sex, Venus also rules money. So, if there have been worries, issues about as to where it is or how it is that an X amount or a supplemented income is going to be coming, Venus this month will sort of give you her help, and she'll allow rather the flow of money to come in more easily. Also, like I said, it's a great time to intend. So if those of you who have been wanting to do certain things on your life, or you've been thinking about it, it's a good time to be focusing and intending. And I always say intentions are the best way, or the simplest example of knowing as to how quickly the universe responds. uh, with the 12th house, again, I want to speak a bit about your 12th house, and because that is a house that has your three planets that are there. Try and be a little careful about your speech this month, Taurans. Try not to sort of roughshod people. And even though I would say in personal relationships, you may feel quite clear, and you may think, that, oh, I'm on the right and I need to put this straight, and, just for clarity's sake, try not to do that. And it may just. It may just be a case of a bull in a china shop. So the other person may not be ready to hear what it is that you have to say. So I would suggest that just, if you have to say it, just package it very well for the other person. Try not to say things because you feel better and it gives you greater clarity. Again, like I said, it's not really a month of action for you, Taurans. It's really a month to be sitting back and be the observer this month. Try not to take big decisions. Try not to come on too strongly. Try not to initiate newer projects, newer things as well. It's a time to be sitting back, looking at things, reading maybe all the clauses, and maybe researching, understanding more, connecting with yourself more. uh, I would say that the key also to this month is what it is that matters to you from inside at a soul level. So it's a good time to be sort of going back more inside and figuring out for yourself, what is it that really matters to me, what is it that really makes me move, what is it that makes me groove. Things that you may think on a day to day, on a superficial level, are very important to you, but I think at times when we sit back on our own, and you just realize that it was inconsequential. I don't know why I put in so much of energy into what I did. So it's just a time of taking a breather, sitting back, and doing all the soul searching, so to speak, or even mind searching, if it makes you feel better. So this month, Taurans, and this aspect is, like I said, till about end of the month, and after that, you will be moving into a more broader, rather the planets will be moving into a more broader part of your chart that has to do with higher education, and it has to do with travel, and so that will take focus, of course, next month. Till then, have a great April. I'll see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.